How to use clamp meter to measure current. So these are the materials: 220 volt AC outlet, line splitter, consumer or salt lamp, and clamp meter. Our range selector is AC amp clamp and around 20 amp AC, line splitter. So let's plug in the line splitter to the outlet. Now let's plug in the lamp to the line splitter outlet. So let's try our lamp. So let's now measuring current. So let's try around 2 wires it is measuring or not. So the result is nothing is measured. So let's try around 1 wire it is measured or not. So it is measuring, it is 0.03 ampere. So let's transfer to another wire. It is the same, it can measure 0.03 amperes. So orientation doesn't matter. Let's try to on off the switch to know if there have ampere consumed or not. So when the lamp is off, zero current will consume. When the lamp is on, there are current will consume. That's all. Thank you for watching.